this represents the biggest issue, the biggest dangerous issue for Marcos Jr. Kasi pag meron kang ginawang ganyan, it means na wala ka talagang authority to rule. Wala kang authority to be there in the office of the president. Kasi tinamper mo yung election system. Tinaya mo yung election system. Sabihin na natin nanalo ka. In reality, nanalo ka. Pero kung dinagdagan yung boto mo, you have no right to be in the office of the president because you have no moral scruples. Wala sa iyo yung morality. You cannot rule us with the moral ascendancy of a true leader. Because tinamper mo yung election system. Mga kababayan, itong issue na to is the biggest and the most dangerous issue for Marcos. Dahil pwede siyang matanggal dito. Because yung sinasabi ko, wala kang moral ascendancy to rule this country. Because you are immoral and unethical by yourselves. Dito sa pakikipagkunsabahan sa Smartmatic.